Digestion means break down the food material into simpler form and digest it. Then I explain the process of digestion. In mouth, teeth, tongue and salivary glands also present. Teeth helps to break down the food into simpler form. There are 4 types of this: incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Incisor helps to breaking the food, and incisor helps to cutting the food. Canine helps to tearing the food. Premolar helps to grinding the food, and molar helps to pure the food. Then tongue helps to taste the food, and it rolling the food inside the mouth. And the salivary glands also present. There are 3 types of salivary glands: parotid glands, some mandibular glands, some lingual glands. Parotid glands is the largest salivary glands. And the salivary glands contain saliva. Saliva is a water-type material which make the food slippery, which has to swallow easily. Saliva contain the enzyme called salivary amylase, lysozyme, ptyalin, and catalyst. Salivary amylase convert the starch into maltose and sucrose. Ptyalin also works like as a salivary amylase. Lysozyme kill the harmful bacteria and clean the mouth. Catalyst, that means mercury, iron, and lead. Then the food enter into the stomach through oesophagus, and this movement of food is known as peristaltic movement. In stomach, there is the gastric glands present. Gastric glands secrete gastric juice, and gastric juice also secrete the enzyme called HCl, pepsin, renin, mucus. HCl make the food acidic and kill the harmful bacteria, and mucus protect the inner lining of the stomach from HCl. Pepsin helps to digest the protein, and renin are present in the children of below the age of 6 years. Then the food enter into the first starting points of the small intestine called duodenum. Then I am talking about the liver. Liver is also a gland, and it secretes bile juice, bile salt, cholesterol, sodium carbonate, etc. Bile juice make the food alkaline, and bile salt or cholesterol digest the convert the large fat globules into small fat globules, and this process is known as emulsification. Both bile juice and bile salt are stored in a gallbladder. Then I am talking about the pancreas. Pancreas is also glands, and it secretes pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice also secretes the enzyme called trypsin lipase. Trypsin has to digest the protein, and the lipase break down the emulsified fat. Then in the starting points of the small intestine in duodenum, there is both pancreatic juice and bile juice are go there, and there is the digestion of fat. Then the food moves forward, and we know that there are 3 parts of the small intestine: jejunum, duodenum, and ileum, and all the process of the digestion take place in the jejunum. So the food enter into the small intestine. There is a finger-like projection called villi are present. Villi has to increase the surface area of absorption, and because the food move forward, and it also take the food and send to the blood vessel. There is the ellipsin secretes. Ellipsin convert the protein into amino acid, and the fat also convert into the fatty acid and glycerol, and starch converted into maltose and sucrose. So the unabsorbed material are sent into the large intestine. In the large intestine, the wall of the large intestine contain more water from this material and remove into the anus.